Welcome to the rebirth of a true American legend. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. For decades, muscle car enthusiasts have dreamed of the day the Chevelle name would roar back to life. That day has finally arrived. Chevrolet has brought back one of its most iconic badges, reimagined for a new generation while staying loyal to its old-school roots. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, a declaration that the spirit of raw, unapologetic power still lives on in 2026. From the moment you see it, the new Chevelle SS 396 demands attention. Its design screams heritage and aggression, a perfect fusion of retro and modern muscle. The front fascia pays tribute to the 1970 Chevelle SS, featuring a split grille, round LED headlights, and a sculpted hood with twin power bulges that nod to the legendary cowl induction hood of the past. The wide stance and muscular fenders remind you that this car means business, while sleek aerodynamic lines and carbon fiber accents bring it firmly into the future. Under the hood lies the true soul of the beast, a 6.6-liter LT, two-based V8 engine tuned to produce over 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. Chevrolet engineers call it old soul, new heart, and it lives up to that name. This modernized 396 doesn't just deliver brute force, it delivers precision, efficiency, and an exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic, the Chevelle SS can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds. Inside, the cabin strikes, a balance between classic style and 21st century technology. The dashboard features a retro-inspired twin-pod cluster with modern digital readouts, leather sport seats with SS embroidery, and aluminum trim pieces that echo the original Chevelle's muscle car DNA. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system ensures you stay connected while enjoying every second of that engine symphony. But the 2026 Chevelle SS 396 isn't just about power, it's about control. A magnetic ride suspension, launch control, and adaptive performance. Modes allow you to tailor the car's personality to the road ahead, from city cruising to track day domination. Brembo brakes and performance tires ensure that all that horsepower can be handled with confidence. Chevrolet calls the new Chevelle Muscle Reborn, and that's exactly what it feels like. This isn't just nostalgia for nostalgia's sake. It's a modern engineering masterpiece, inspired by the past but built for the future. The 2026 Chevelle SS 396 is proof that legends never die. They evolve. The rebirth of the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 is more than just a car launch. It's a cultural revival. When the original Chevelle SS hit the streets in the late 1960s, it symbolized freedom, rebellion, and the raw American dream. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has managed to capture that same energy with modern innovation, making this car equally thrilling for classic enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers. One of the most striking things about the new Chevelle SS is its customization potential. Chevrolet offers multiple performance packages, including a track pack with carbon ceramic brakes, sport-tuned suspension, and lightweight forged wheels. For those who want the ultimate street machine, the Super Sport Heritage Edition adds unique striping, heritage badging, and an optional retro color palette, including favorites like Cranberry Red, Fathom Blue, and Shadow Black. Step inside, and you immediately feel that this is not just a muscle car. It's a driver's experience. The bucket seats hug you in place. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels ready for battle, and the digital gauge cluster lets you toggle between retro analog visuals and futuristic 3D performance displays. Even the exhaust note can be customized. From quiet mode for early morning drives to track thunder, mode that lets the 396 V8 roar with unrestrained fury. Chevrolet also hasn't forgotten the importance of safety and technology in modern performance cars. The 2026 Chevelle SS comes with an array of advanced driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and 360-degree parking cameras. However, everything is designed to enhance the drive, not interfere with it. This car still puts the driver in charge, as every true muscle car should. Perhaps the most exciting part is that Chevrolet has confirmed an electrified variant is in development, a hybrid SS Emotion model rumored to push over 700 combined horsepower, blending instant electric torque with the rumble of the V8. While purists may raise an eyebrow, Chevy promises it will stay true to the brand's soul. Performance first, always. On the road, the new Chevelle delivers an experience that's both nostalgic and futuristic. The steering is tight, the power delivery instant, and the exhaust sound addictive. It's a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stirs emotions. Wherever it goes, it brings smiles, admiration, and a hint of envy. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 isn't just a car returning from the past, it's a symbol of endurance, showing that true legends can be reborn. Louder, faster, and better than ever. With over 500 horsepower, breathtaking looks, and the perfect blend of retro soul and modern innovation, the Chevelle SS 396 marks a glorious new chapter in muscle car history.